COVID-19. Where's the salon gonna be? I don't know. Like, what are we gonna be doing in the industry? I don't know. But what I predict is gonna happen is we're gonna be working with a lot of natural texture, and I wanna show you how to cut it. Check it out coming up. Let's put your glasses up for you. Yeah, there you go. So as I comb through and I loosen up that texture, you'll notice that you're starting to see some of that little wave kind of come out. That's the natural texture. So we're gonna work with that. We're gonna create a really cool shag today. Now this really cool shag, we're gonna start in the front area. Let's get right into it. Now I'm gonna take a diagonal back section. I'm gonna comb this forward just like that. So you can see that. I've got that tension that I could hold on to all the way down through there. Now I can see right through here that I jumped a little bit more. I don't want to take out that bottom corner. That's the one thing I want to avoid. I do not want to take out that corner. So what I'm going to be doing is, if I start this and I start the section right through here, I'm going to C-shape all the way through there. So I'm going to keep this bottom length all the way down through, then I'm gonna cut out that front. Now number two, which I could keep going on this side, but what I wanna do is I wanna balance out just this front one. So now that I've taken this down, you can actually see this section right through here. Now with this next section, which is gonna follow along this hairline, and you can see where my previous cut section is right through here, because you know, there's something that happens when you cut into the hair. There's a little bit of a crease that happens, and I want to make sure that all of that hair is moving in the same direction. So as you can see, now as I work all of this down, I keep all of that. You want to make sure you keep those 2 points right through there, and you can see how that opens up the face really nicely, but it works on the side part, right, like that. You could work this in the center, on this side, whatever. At the top, if I cut way too far this direction, you'll notice that you'll take out the corner, but if you cut in and then you curve around, you're gonna keep that corner along the bottom. Now I'm gonna go back to this side. Now cut this side, then I'll come back to this side and I'll cut the rest of that side. As I hold this through, I can see where my previous cut guide is at. And it's starting to look amazing. I love it. I love how it's starting to look. You can really start to see a lot of that texture coming out, opens up the face really nicely. And this can work from shorter hair to really, really long hair as well. So we just took our next section. So we're not cutting as much hair off. Like a little bit of, you can see just a little bit of hair right through there. Very, very, very little. So what do we want to do to continue the rest of this? You want to continue the rest of this throughout the top and then the back. And we're going to use our shortest point as our guide throughout the back and throughout the top. It creates a line that goes like this. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to keep that line going all the way throughout the front, okay? Throughout the front, throughout the top, and we're basically going to bring everything up to that section. Natural texture comes out. It is so fabulous. It's got a nice amount of volume to it. You've still got that length in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the exact opposite. this up and I want to, and I'm really just going to be cutting off some of those ends. I don't really need those ends in there. If you guys like this, you want to check out more stuff, make sure and subscribe. Check it out. I'd love to see you guys back here. Final look, check that out. It's still a little bit damp through there. I don't really mind. I kind of like, again, that's the whole thing, is simplifying your hairstyle. Hope you guys dig that. My name's Thompson. This is my COVID prediction.